So right off the bat, one thing I had to make very important with this level was the use of colour, as you might be able to tell there's a lot of greys and whites and it all blends into one another, but the stark contrast between the red and the grey here is something that I wanted to achieve, and I think it works quite well. For whenever I use colour in the level, it always seems more striking and just visually different than anything else in the level, which is the important part. Although I do want to do level design, this fell a little bit short of what I'd normally like to achieve, just because of the fact that I had to get a lot more technical stuff working for this project. But if I was to focus on purely level design, the game wouldn't be playable, and I thought getting it playable was more interesting than getting it looking pretty, because at the end of the day it's all supposed to be functional. All the paint's supposed to apply to the world, so I had to make it so that you could, in fact, paint stuff into the world. Like with this hay bale, I had to make sure it was all working properly and actually did its job, because no matter how pretty it looked, it'd take away from the appeal if you couldn't actually paint what you were supposed to paint, which overall helped the level 100-fold.